Mr. President, I heard your explanation, but I am perplexed with it, especially since just last week you demonstrated by your action in tabling the Integrity Commission report on the Airports Authority that this is an independent chamber and you are an independent presiding officer. So your statement this morning is in complete contradiction to that statement last week. And I'm particularly disappointed since presiding officers have no authority in law to impede the timely and seamless publication of these crucial reports. You are mere conduits through which reports are to be presented to all parliamentarians. And Mr. President, this unfortunate behavior will create a perception that politically unfavorable information, unfavorable to the government, is being withheld from the public domain, inconsistent with the rule of law and the principle of transparent governance, and inconsistent with the time-honored practice of both houses that when these reports, we're not so concerned with the Auditor General's reports because those are tabled in the other house, but certainly the Integrity Commission report, since its establishment, the practice and the convention has been that they are tabled at the earliest opportunity. And I think this is a dangerous departure from that convention and precedent, and I urge you, Mr. President, to reconsider your position.